With tens of millions of trees in Hong Kong, the government takes proactive steps to enhance public safety before the start of the wet season. It's a job that requires experts in the tree management departments who are busy carrying out body checks for trees. That process calls for the most innovative tools that have the unique ability to review and assess the health and structural condition of trees.
Kumogao works on the principle that sound waves takes different times full wood with different densities. The method is to install metal nails with receiver around the tree. By tapping on the nails, the sound waves generated will be received by different receiver. After the processing of the computer, an image showing the cross-section of the tree can be shown, and we can make use of the graph to analyze the structural condition of the tree. The seismograph is an electronic device to assess the internal condition of the tree. It has a tiny, steel, long little drill connected with a sensor. When the drill is driven into the tree, the resistance will be recorded. And the recorded system can help us to analyze the structural condition of the tree.
In addition to scrutinizing the grounds around trees, drones are deployed to enable inspections at the highest of angles. While all means are used to protect and keep trees healthy, there are times when removing and replacing trees is necessary.
The mitigation measures include pruning, pest and disease control, and also to attach cable to enhance the tree support. And if no other viable measure can be used, we will consider to remove the dangerous tree to enhance public safety.
Maintaining trees is indeed a science. For example, the government plants different species along streets with the strategic goal of improving ecological health and minimizing tree risks. Some of the dangers include trees falling due to decay or infestation by pests or diseases, along with falling branches. This is why the Development Bureau has published the Street Tree Selection Guide. It features 80 less commonly used tree species that are suitable for street planting in Hong Kong. It's used as a reference guide for government departments and anyone else interested in planting unique tree species.
The objective is to create a systematic method for street tree selection. It is aiming to allow the designer to understand the consideration and criteria in street tree selection. The aim is to explore the possibility to planting a higher diversity of tree species and planting the suitable native species in order to improve the resilience of our urban forests and in a way to promote the vegetation diversity under the principle of white tree, white place. And in long term, it will help to increase the ecological health and also minimize our tree risks and the maintenance pressure.
Hong Kong was hit by a super typhoon last year that caused the destruction of more than 60,000 trees. The Development Bureau has replanted specific species of trees according to the Street Tree Selection Guide.
Here is next to the seaside with strong wind. Therefore, we should select some tree species which have high wind tolerance. Therefore, we select the foxtail palm. It is an exotic evergreen palm species. They do not have obvious flower, but their leaves and the tree form is very unique and attractive. And their essential attribute is also very suitable for street planting. For example, they are resistant to pests and disease. They have high wind tolerance, drought tolerance, and they are also easy to maintain.